like to say that the image on the right is actually the full set of 11 heuristics and a little bit about how we develop those. And then this sample card on the left, I just explained because you're going to see these cards a lot. But so maybe some people don't even know what heuristics are, and just think of them as best practices. They're a little less rigid than sort of standards, which I think is especially useful when you're talking about AI. We're not talking about like WCAG accessibility standards where you're checking a lot of boxes. There are a series of questions you want to ask to see if your product or the feature you're delivering meets the benchmark or the best practice to deliver a trustworthy AI experience. So kind of think of them, and maybe people have used them from a usability perspective. We wanted to build some just around sort of trust and credibility that exists within AI. And these sheet and this set of heuristics is really to help product and product leaders, designers, and engineers evaluate maybe something they've just released to identify some areas that they could improve. But it's also proactive. It's not a trailing indicator of what have we done in the past. It can be a leading indicator of how to develop those tools. And we encourage people to use this framework. It's divided by phase. Blue is discover, the orangish red is design, and the purple is drive and deliver.